Hey, what's up guys? This is a battery base designed for the Echo 4th generation, not to be confused by the Echo Dot 4th generation, because you could obviously see this is pretty much like half its size. So, GGMM reached out to me and they sent me this product for free to do a review. I did not get paid for this review, but they did send me this product for free. So, this thing is actually fairly impressive in specs. So, it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. And it is designed to last up to 6 hours on 50% volume. So basically, we'll take this out. So nicely packaged. So here's a little screw that screws in. So the Echo actually has a screw hole where the Echo Dot does not. So, and let's see what else comes in the box. So a thank you note with a gold foil embossed. That's kind of nice. And this is pretty much the setup guide, essentially telling you like warnings and frequently asked questions, and as well as battery indicators. So basically there's 4 bars, and you determine how much percentage you have based on the bars. So obviously in many different languages. Okay. Alright, so my Echo is on right now because it's plugged in, so you could see that it's on right now. So if I unplug this, obviously it's off, and I would essentially just put it here and screw it in. There it is. Okay, so I had to push in a little bit. I guess I could center it if I wanted super centered or something like that. And then I think hand tightening is fine. So you could obviously get a screwdriver as well, but it's fine with hand tightening. And it's essentially the same exact plug. So I wonder if this comes charged. Probably not. But the cool thing is that this thing is designed for use with the existing power cable, which is nice, that you pretty much take the existing power cable and then you push it in and then you're good to go. Actually, this thing does have some charge. I think all you need to do is hold the power for a few seconds. Yeah. It says long press for 2 seconds to turn it on. So once this thing, obviously it's powering on now because I unplugged it, but once it's powered on, and it looks like it's there. Computer. What's 5 times 5?
5 times 5 is 25.
Okay, so it is powered on. Computer, what's 5 times 6?
5 times 6 is 30.
So that's the beauty with this thing.
Much later.
Here I am outside in the backyard, and this battery base makes it possible without any wires. All I have to do is, unplug this. I can even leave this plugged in as one unit. I'd basically unplug this, take it outside, listen to some music. You still have your smart home controls, you still have your random questions you can ask. So all of this is possible without wires because of this battery base. Now I did do a full test, and I got 5 hours and 40 minutes of playback at 50% volume. I also did another test where I think that's more of a real world use case scenario where I had it fully charged. I played music for about an hour, and then it was on standby. Went back inside, came back outside, played some music again, asked some random questions. And I probably played music for around 2 hours or so, and the rest it was just like, just kind of on standby or just some random questions. And it lasted pretty much the whole day. And then, in the evening I took it inside and I'm good to go. So very impressed with this thing. They pretty much match the advertised numbers, and you get full controls. You can even ask random things like computer. How do you say hit that subscribe button in Japanese?
Hit that subscribe button. In Japanese is
その購読ボタンを押す。
There you go, what she said. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave in the comment sections below.